2018 Infiniti Q60 review. The optional twin-turbo V6 provides the Q60 the thrust to back up its dramatic looks. The 2018 Infiniti Q60 can trace its roots back in the G35. Do not forget that car. One of the many vehicles built on Nissan's then new FM platform. Though many changes are actually phased in on the way, today's Q60 continues to be built for the FM platform. It has served Nissan and Infiniti well, spawning many SUVs, a race car, sedans and coupes. Today, the Q60 still seems to feel contemporary. The interior betrays its old roots. The two screens inside center stack are from different eras, plus the map graphics are dated. Still, this coupe's plentiful soft touch points show focus to detail. Get the job done theme could figure to be overhauled. The Q60's top version may be the rebadged 400. Though it just isn't as focused as German high-performance offerings, its twin-turbo V6 provides legitimate 400 horsepower thrust. There's also strong value to be found within the lower trim levels should your performance expectations are definitely more relaxed. Overall, we presume the Q60 is really a respectable selection for a luxury coupe. But since it doesn't shine in different particular area, you can definitely find fresher rivals such as Audi A5 S5 and Mercedes-Benz class coupe more inviting. What's new? For 2018, the Infiniti Q60 receives only minor tweaks. Red Sport 400 models get 20-inch wheels with non-run flat tires, while tires that happen to be 10 mm wider happen to be fitted along the lineup. The sweet spot will be the 3.0-ton sport trim level. It offers an effective dose of thrust within the four-cylinder without reaching the ambitious price of the rebadged 400. We also much like the sport trim because of its upgraded front seats and adaptive suspension dampers. Beware, all option packages need the sensory package, itself a pricey method to get heated seats and navigation, among other highlights. Getting the Pro Assist package is probably worthwhile because of its added precautionary features. You get a lot more with the Proactive package, but it really comes bundled with Infiniti's direct adaptive steering system. We don't much like the way the car's steering feels and responds when so equipped, to ensure could be a package to protect yourself from. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Infiniti Q60 is usually a two-door luxury coupe that seats 4 people. There are 5 trim levels: 2.0 tons pure, 2.0 tons luxe, 3.0 tons luxe, 3.0 tons sport and rebadged 400. The numbers reference what engine the Q60 gets, while pure, luxe and sport versions deliver different feature seats. All Q60s include a 7-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. The base 2.0 tons pure comes with the turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 208 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, and comes pretty well equipped. Highlights include 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and fog lights, heated mirrors, keyless ignition and entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, power-adjustable front seats, simulated leather upholstery, Bluetooth, a dual touchscreen infotainment interface, 8-inch upper screen, 7-inch lower, 2 USB ports, plus a 6-speaker head unit with a CD player and satellite radio. A sunroof is optional. Stepping around the 2.0 tons luxe adds the sunroof and also a 13-speaker Bose speakers that includes HD radio. The 3.0 tons luxe, the starting place for 6-cylinder models, differs only with the substitution with a 4-cylinder using a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine, 300 horsepower, 295 lb-ft and larger brakes. While Lux models don't bestow much additional standard equipment, they grant having access to options not available for the base model. The sensory package adds auto-dimming outside mirrors, a power-adjustable and heated leader, heated front seats, driver seat memory settings, and Infiniti in-touch emergency communication services and navigation system. The leather seating package adds leather upholstery and power-adjustable front seat side bolsters. The Pro Assist package adds front and back parking sensors, a 360-degree parking camera system, blind spot monitoring, reverse automatic braking, as well as a forward collision warning and automatic braking mechanism. The 3.0 tons Lux is available while using Proactive package requires all the available packages, which adds adaptive headlights with automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, blind spot intervention. It steers in your case if you don't heed its warnings, a lane departure warning and intervention system, an air filtration and Infinitus direct adaptive steering system. There's also the 3.0-ton Sport, which comes with 19-inch forged alloy wheels, 2-mode variable suspension dampers, the auto-dimming outside mirrors, leather upholstery, the power-adjustable driver seat bolsters and leader, and driver seat memory functions. Its sensory package is actually the same as the 0 tons Lux version in addition to those items Alwachi standard. It too can be equipped with all the Pro Assist and Proactive packages. The Red Sport 400 sits atop the Q60 lineup and delivers the most powerful performance associated with a Q60 variant. It's equipped similarly to the 0-ton Sport but includes a more powerful 3.0-litre V6 engine, 400 horsepower, 350 lb-ft and 20-inch wheels with staggered summer tyres. Trim tested has not rated this vehicle, but we have now limited experience using a pre-production model. The following is our first handle what's significant concerning this and how much you need. These observations depend on our initial drive of the 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 Turbo 3.0 litres V6, 7-speed automatic, RWD. Driving. The Red Sport's engine is outstanding and contains plenty of power for everyone occasions. We're less fond in the optional direct adaptive steering system, which feels overly disconnected and artificial. The Q60's handling is protected. Comfort. The seats are great for road trips, though tall folks will discover the seating position about the high side. The ride is firm but never harsh, plus the damping is spot on at higher speeds. The tires transmit what little noise is heard inside cabin. Interior. You'll find an unusually lot of materials within the cabin but a good amount of soft touch points. Access to top seats is not difficult and space is plentiful, not as much for the back seats, which can be too small to often be usable. Utility. The trunk is small, even for an extravagance coupe. There aren't many places within the cabin to swallow normal clutter, just cup holders, a modest console bin and shallow, plasticky door pockets. Technology. The dual screen layout is showing its age, together with the map graphics looking out of date plus the screens apparently from different eras. The lower touch screen gives quick responses and includes a reasonably intuitive screen flow. Many grey icons on certain screens are puzzling.